I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group, reporting on the livestock market. Today, cattle was firm today. The futures did bounce ahead of the federal cattle auction. The uptrend continues, and it's really starting to build, and it's kind of affirming what that last week's low is going to be the bottom for at least the next couple of weeks. We're going to definitely watch for buying momentum starting to build up. We're going to be heading into the holiday weekend, and we're going to watch for possibly an increase in the market. I think we could definitely get a boost. If it's any indication as to where we're going from the feeders rallied really strong today. It seems that the better holiday movement is really expected. So with that in mind, it should bring along the live cattle as well. It's certainly telling us that the weather forecasts are going to be really good. And finally, we may get a lot more domestic demand and more participation. The weather has been kind of iffy, should I say, over the last couple of weeks, but it seems to finally be coming together. And perhaps now the seasonal grilling season will begin and really start to take hold of these markets a little bit and kind of give it a little shot in the arm. Hogs also rebounded. The cash bids were definitely firming up. We know that we tested a new low again yesterday, but it really came back pretty well. It seems that seasonally the futures right now normally trade a little bit more choppy and kind of like sideways movement. So the fact that we got a little bit of a lift today could be some overflow from the feeders and from the live cattle market kind of moving in, but also looking at the grilling season, perhaps we can get something going. Now, the hog market itself is definitely tied to what's happening with NAFTA, and even though that we have some relief about the Chinese threat for tariffs, that should give some relief to have traders to step in and try to buy a little bit more of those futures right now. They're very, very cautious because this market could be one that could get hit hard. So not everyone is jumping in all at once, but still looks very strong today. And perhaps this is a decent rebound, what we've been looking for the last couple of days. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.